Rainbow Hands.
Now, magic time. 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we will draw a Christmas candy house. Draw the roof. Draw candy canes on the sides. Draw a Christmas wreath. Draw the door. Draw 2 windows. Draw falling snow. Now let's use a thick pen. Go over the lines slowly, nice and clean. It's coloring time. Red. Let's color it red. Yellow. Let's color it yellow. Green. Let's color it green. White. Let's color it white. Sky blue. Let's color it sky blue. Brown. Let's color it brown. Pink. Let's color it pink. Wow! Look at our candy house. It looks sweet and happy. Now, it's magic time. 1, 2, 3. It looks amazing. It is a pretty Christmas candy house. You did a great job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.